Hello student, here we discuss about different question of entropy related to entropy. Fill in the blanks is there, and third law of thermodynamics also will see. Delta S is dash for spontaneous process, so delta S will be positive for spontaneous process. Okay, delta S positive means it favors the spontaneity of the reaction. Now absolute entropy is the entropy of the substance at 0 Kelvin, and it is denoted by S naught. It is 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degrees C. So and absolute entropy denoted as S naught. Okay, now entropy of the universe continuously increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Why? Because spontaneity always increases in the universe during the time of entropy. Now here hard boiled egg, very important question. Many times it is asked, hard boiled egg has dash entropy. So here denaturation occur, and here the compact 3D structure is broken down and primary structure is obtained, so entropy will be positive over here. Randomness will be here increases. Randomness increases. Why? Because earlier it was in compact 3D structure. Okay, a 3D structure folded, it will unfold now. Earlier it was just like this structure, but now it is open, like this type of hair. So that is why randomness is increases, so entropy will be increased. Always remember, otherwise people are thinking okay, we are boiling the egg and that liquid inside it becomes solid, so entropy will be negative. No my child, always think about that. Here we go for the structure of the protein. So the 3 degree protein, tertiary protein will be there in egg, and it will converted into primary amine, and primary amine having a single thread like structure, coiled structure. So unfolded structure will be there, so randomness will be increases, entropy will be positive. Clear? So hard boiled egg, positive entropy. Good boy. Now more disordered system has higher entropy. Entropy dash on fusion, entropy increases on fusion. Why? What is fusion? Changing of solid to liquid, so that is and randomness increases, so entropy increases. Entropy of a perfectly crystalline structure is 0 at 0 Kelvin. This is third law of thermodynamics. It is also called Nernst law. Okay, and 0 K is equal to minus 273 K and minus 459.67 K. Third law of thermodynamics, it states that as temperature of the system approaches absolutely 0, its entropy become constant or no change in entropy, so 0 entropy.